Now guys, the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put two connectors onto there. I got, these are so-called waterproof, well, sort of. We're gonna connect them to these wires. This one even out of the way for a moment. Then, let's see, I need first, always those stupid stickers. Okay, then guys, well, okay, oh, like this, yes. Now, what I always like to do is, on the side where my voltage is, put the female connector. Why? Well, that's gonna surprise you. These are those pins that comes in here, and suppose it comes loose and it drops onto something like this, and then we have a short circuit, and when this side is having the voltage like this, that can never happen. So that's my idea behind it. I think that's not that stupid, at least I think. Now let's see, hopefully there are, yes, there are numbers onto it, 1 and 2, tiny. What I'm gonna do is, the 1 is the positive side, red, and the 2 is the negative, black. So, hop, there you got it. Then have a look, because it is Chinese. See if they marked at the same. Yep, 1, 1, 2, 2. So this one comes over here. Is that difficult? No, not at all. But let's see. Got my, don't know what this is for. Yeah, that's for the female. Yep. This one. Then let's see. I want to break free. I want to break free. I'm gonna put some shrinking tube around it, just for the looks. Let's see, here I got my shrink tube. God knows. Yes, it's flimsy stuff, but it's not to waterproof it, but, well, to look nice. That's better. This one goes all the way in, so that I think Now let's see. How deep? Yes. Gonna cut it 3.5 centimeter, so 35 millimeters. So cut at, gonna 35 millimeters. No, that's over there. Then the black one too. Okay, then guys, don't forget, oops, those tiny little, goes on like that first. That makes them waterproof, they say. Yeah. About this and about that, exactly long. I twist it officially. You're not allowed to twist it. No, the wires so intertwine, and then when you pinch it, then you pinch them. But I always, now let's see, I got bits and pieces. These should be for those. So at least my Chinese friends said so. Okay, now okay, yep, one. Oh, it's terrible weather, man. I think I live in Scotland. As the wind blows always over there, they say. Or Oklahoma. Let's see, is there a up and lower side? More, I don't think. Okay, this one. There. God knows. Then this one, sure that they are opposed to each other. This is also Chinese stuff, but for the time I need it, just every now and then, it's good enough for me. Now guys, let's have a look. We have a bigger and a smaller side. Yep. So this is the bigger side. And the bigger side we need for this one. I'm not sure if these are the right Hey, friends. See, doesn't work. What I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna do it my way or the highway. So this is better. I think I have plenty of room in there. Oh, wacht. Kan we doen. See. One on this side. Don't forget them. Have one on that side. This one. See if it is a bit too long. It needs to be, let's see, like this. And that's, guys. Four millimeter. Put it in, yes. Wow, nice. Come back, guys. That's nice. Hop. For this side, we need the male. They call it the male. Not the mailman, but a male as in human league. So, perfect. Oh, there, yep. Wow. Nice. Have a look. Have a looky look. See? It's a good crimp, as they call it. Now I have to find out which side those, like this. See? Oh, blah. We need number one. That's this one. This is number one. And then this side, yes, click. Wow, nice. One is the red and two is the black. Then we put these guys in here. Tiny screwdriver. And now, guys, I hope my shrinking tube can get over this. Yeah, I think. Something like this. Ja, yes. Ah, godverdomme. Oh, sorry. Oh, mechanic, don't swear. Now, let's see. Tiny bit to that. So, yep. First, okay. Oh, perfect. Yes, not too long as it's, yeah. Nice. What do we think? maybe a little black tie wrap, tiny one. So now I think it's good. That's one. Then we have his brother. We're going to do the same. First, ugly sticker off. Some kind of, yeah, quality check. Yeah, quality check. Made in China. This one out of the way. Huh. Then, guys, we said 3.5. Remember? Now, 3.5 centimeters, 35 millimeters. So over there, let's see. Yep. Hop. Then. Hop. There. So easy. Then, just 4 mil. That's there. I think. This one there. Twist it. Don't tell anybody. First, guys, you need those yellow caps. Yellow cap. So, this one. Guys, it's a really cheaper one, but it does the job. It does the job. We hop to this one. I'm gonna show you how to put them in your vise. See these, and then let's see. This is the big side, so that's the big side. So you have, wait a minute, like this. See this. So this, and then carefully close it. So see, not pinch it at this moment. This is in. Over here is the wire width. It's 1 mil, which that about is. No, it's not by far. Actually, I think I'll take a half. Yeah, take the second one, the half. This one. Yeah. See, have to put it not in the last one, but in that one. A half. I think that's better. And then just in the middle, be sure your isolation is at the right spot and your wire is at the right spot, and then pinch it, loosen it. Wow. Yeah, perfect. See, one got out. So we need not the first, second one, but okay, be sure it's flush on this side too. Then in the middle, try to aim it for the middle. Push it in, not too far. Grab the handle, hop, perfect. Okay, then we take the middle. We decided red is the one. Red is one, guys. one, okay. Then his brother, Blackie, okay. This, hopefully, was it that? Yep, yep. Be sure they are locked. Yes, and then push those two in. I like to always push them in. Normally you crimp them with the connector, with this one, but yeah, wrong tool. And guys, so now how good is that? I think, watch. Even kijken hè. Maybe you can see it, there's a 1 and a 2 on the connector, and the 1 is the red and the 2 is the black. And this is how it looks on the rear side. See, hopefully you can see those yellow things to prevent water leaking in. So now again we take this really cheapo Chinese, so about over there, this, cut it, cut. Oh man, I have so many friends. Whoa, I wish they all sent me $1. They do, I'm rich. I'm gonna buy a house in the Pacific. On an island in the Pacific. But then again, on an island, if it's a small island, you can drive your motorcycle. Within a week, in a week you're fed up with it. So maybe for a lot of money I extend my shed. That would be a good plan. Guys, now this we're gonna do the same. Let's see. Die kan morgens goed gedaan. Die een beetje hier. Oké. Ja, die is een beetje harder. Op. Nou, dat ben ik. Well done. Not too long, then it scheurt. This is just for the fun. So guys, it was my second video about my auxiliary lights, about my side lights, let's call, I don't know the word. There is much more to come. I hope you enjoyed this video too. And if you do, please consider a subscription. I really would appreciate that. Give me thumbs up. For now, old mechanic.